I am going to discuss about UI View Controller Lifecycle in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about UI View Controller Lifecycle in Swift. So first of all, we're gonna open your Xcode. We can create a new project. We can create a single view application and lifecycle view controller, UI view controller lifecycle controller. Team is known interface UI board, language Swift UI delegate. So we can create view controller and man view controller. So we can create a UI view controller, man view controller, and it's an initial view controller. So today I am going to discuss about UI view controller life cycle. So first we will load. We can create a view controller. Is load view. Firstly, we can create view controller load view. What is UI view controller? An object that manages a view hierarchy for your UIKit app. An object that manages view hierarchy for your UIKit app is called UI view controller. So first of all, we can load it is load view. We can default load, and otherwise second load is view did load method. So view did load is we can create a print statement. View did load called. View did load called. And what is view did load called? When view did load called? Only once call view did load. Only once call view did load. Only once call view did load. This is code after the view load into the memory. This is code after the view load into the memory and is commonly thought of as the first method that will be called. And is commonly thought of as the first method that will be called. Is called view did load method. So first we could call only once call method after the load view code. We can another method is view will appear. View will appear. View will appear. You should have called super view will appear. Super dot view will appear. Animated is animated. So we can create a print statement. Print view will appear method. Print is view will appear method. So what is when view will appear method is called? This is called just before the view controller. This is called just before the view controller is added to the view hierarchy. And show to the screen and show to the user and shown to the user. This means that the frame and bounds are all set, but we need to remember that their methods are called each and every time that the view controller is presented to the screen. When view will appear is call just before view controller is added to a view hierarchy and show on the user. So on the screen user. So when another call is method is life cycle is view did appear. View did appear. You should have called super dot view did appear. View did appear. Animated is animated. View did appear. So when calling view did appear, also known as the place to the start. Animations. This is called when the user can see it. On the screen. Can see it on screen It is not usually good idea to flash thing and to the screen at this point, as the user will see it when call show on the screen. When call after view will appear show on the screen. We can create a print statement. View did appear. We can create another method is view did layout subview. We will layout subview. We will layout subview. View will layout subview, and we should have called super dot view will layout subview. We can use the print statement. When call view will layout subview, we will layout, I don't think by default, out of view layout. Out of view layout is called we will layout subview. When after calling is view did appear. When a bound changes the view layout position. So another call is view did layout subview. View did layout subview. You should have called view did layout subview. View did layout subview. We can create a print statement. View did layout subview. When calling view did layout subview, this method is called after the view controller has been adjusted to its subview. This method is called after the view controller has been adjusted to its subview following a change on its bound. Add code here if you want to make change to view subview after they have been set. So view did layout subview call is view will appear after view will appear and before view did appear. This code is view did layout subview. One another method is view will disappear. View will disappear. You should have called super dot view will disappear. View will disappear. Same animated is animated, and we can create a print statement. You can create a print statement. When calling view will disappear. When calling view will disappear. When calling view will disappear. Called when the view is about no disappear. When the view is about no disappear from the user view. A good place to save user data and cancel network tasks, which will super. So it's called view will disappear. And another function is view did disappear. You should have called super dot view did disappear. View did disappear, and it's animated, same as animated pass. We can create a print statement. Print view did disappear. We can use view did disappear method. So when calling view did disappear, called when the view controller has gone up from the user view and view has already disappeared. Something like stopping music playing at this time would be good choice, and stopping view did appear is calling. When is music playing is stopping and calling. We can create a breakpoint. This is method is view will disappear, stopping playing music and other one. We can run, check this. method of UI view controller. So UI view controller, and we can running. So firstly call is view will appear. View did load is when called. View did load called. View did load is firstly called. When load is screen. View did load is firstly called. When load is screen. We can is view will appear. We can view will appear. View will appear call after the view will layout subview. Call is view will layout subview. View will appear after and view did appear before. Call is view will layout did layout subview. Call is view did, and call it view did appear subview. And view did load called and view will appear. View will layout subview. View did layout and view did appear when it's called. Thank you for watching this video. Your life cycle of UI view controller. So this is a, and we can set the breakpoint not a running. So why? This is a view will disappear and view did disappear. When is calling, we did load is when called, and after and breakpoint, and we can debugging. Sorry, will appear and will disappear. Thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy this step.